The SKS can be loaded with the use of a 10-round stripper clip or without. The stripper clip is used for rapid reloading of the carbine. It will hold 10 cartridges. It has rolled edges with flanges and sprung ends with limiters for holding cartridges. If the stripper clip is not loaded with cartridges, it may be necessary to load it before loading the carbine. In order to load the stripper clip with cartridges, grasp it in the left hand and place the cartridge's base on the end of the spring of the stripper clip. Compress the spring with pressure on the cartridge and slide the cartridge into the stripper clip, ensuring that the cartridge rim is captured in the longitudinal grooves of the stripper clip. Then move the cartridge forward until its base stops at the opposite end of the stripper clip spring. Place 10 cartridges in the stripper clip in this fashion. To load the carbine with a stripper clip, open the bolt assembly. Holding the carbine in the left hand under the rear sight, draw the bolt assembly rearward with the right hand until it is held by the bolt catch. It is also permitted to pull the bolt assembly back with the thumb and index finger, or just the thumb. Place the safety on by rotating the safety upward to stop if not already. Insert the stripper clip in the vertical channels of the bolt carrier and placing the thumb of the right hand on the cartridges in the stripper clip, push the cartridges into the magazine. Remove the stripper clip. Close the bolt assembly. Pull the charging handle back with the right hand to stop and then release. To load the carbine without a stripper clip, open the bolt in the same manner as previously described, and ensure the safety is on. Insert cartridges into the magazine one round at a time through the top opening of the receiver. Place 10 cartridges in the carbine in this fashion. Pull the charging handle back with the right hand to stop and then release, closing the bolt assembly. To unload the carbine, open the magazine cover. Control the magazine cover in the palm of the left hand, and with the finger of the right hand, pull the magazine catch toward the trigger guard. Let the cover open downward and catch the remaining cartridges in the right hand. Remove the chamber cartridge by deliberately withdrawing the bolt assembly rearward with the thumb of the right hand, catching the cartridge between the fingers of the right hand. Release the bolt and place the cartridge in the cartridge pouch. Close the magazine cover. Take the weapon off safe, squeeze the trigger, releasing the hammer from the sear notch, and again place the weapon on safe. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting or helpful, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Then let us know what you thought or would like to see with a comment. If you would like to support the channel, you can become a member on Patreon or YouTube, or subscriber on Player. Links to these are in the description below. For more information on historical firearms, head on over to historyandfirearms.com.